My name is Michael Akamwale. I'm the country director of Rally Academy and Rally Trade. I want to welcome you to the Rally Academy Training Series. The Rally Academy Training Series. And in this training, I'm going to be talking to you about two critical things you need to know before you can succeed in the business of online trading. Two very critical things you need to know. That means without these two things, don't start. Alright? So let me jump to my slide very fast, and I can guarantee you at the end of this little training, you're going to be happy that you actually got this video. Alright? Let's jump into it. The question is this: is it possible to succeed in the business of online trading? Because that's the major question people have in their mind. Is it possible to succeed in the business of e-trading? And the answer is a very big yes. The answer is a very big yes. And the reason is a yes, I'm going to be showing you with two stories. In life, sometimes you motivate yourself from other people's stories. So if, for instance, somebody has succeeded in something, you can motivate yourself by going through that person's story. And that can let you know that if the person can do it, you can do it also. So let me start with a man called Bill Lipchus. Bill was nicknamed the Sultan of Currency. Bill was the highly successful trader that was interviewed in the book New Market Wizard. They called him the Sultan of Currency. If you go on Google, for instance, and do a search for Bill Lipchus, you will see it come out on Google, the Sultan of Currency. That's how successful he is. Now, Bill started by studying what? Architecture. But he ended up to become an e-trader. And I've discovered that a lot of very successful traders have this kind of story. For instance, I also studied mechanical engineering for University of Ibadan. And today, I'm a very successful e-trader, which means your background does not matter. I don't care what you have read in school, whether you read engineering, you read English, you read language, whatever you have read in school, you can actually come to the business of e-trading and succeed. Look at this next guy. His name is Bruce Kovner. Bruce Kovner. Bruce was a New York taxi driver. As far back as 1977, Bruce didn't have money. He went to borrow $3,000 and started trading on the global financial market. And in Bruce's lifetime, he made 11 billion. Now, this is how I motivate myself. If a taxi driver can go into the business of e-trading and make 11 billion, it means I can go into that same business. Especially since I'm sort of more qualified than a taxi driver. I can go into that same business, and even if I don't make 11 billion, even if it's $1 billion I'm able to make, it's a clear sign for me that if he can do it, I can do it also. Which means you can do it also. Alright? You can. You see, sometimes you need to keep telling yourself, because self-affirmation helps you to actually motivate yourself. So you tell yourself right now, I can do it also. Because if you can do it, then you can do it also. Alright? Now, let me also tell you this. If you are really interested in making it big online,